通常他们知道吧。
Your Excellency, the President of the People's Republic of China, Mr. Xi Jinping, honorable members, honorable ministers and members of His Excellency's delegation, honorable members of the Fijian Cabinet, senior officials, ladies and gentlemen. Nisambula Vinaka, Niha. Your Excellency, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you this morning back to our shores. Today marks a significant moment in the history of our relations because this is the first visit of a President of China to visit Fiji and the Pacific Islands since Fiji and China established diplomatic relations 39 years ago. But I know that this is not your first visit, so I welcome you back to Fiji, Your Excellency. And I hope that this is not the last time we will see you here. Your Excellency, I believe our relations have never been better than they are today. We welcome China's very positive and active engagement in the region. We are moving steadily to a relationship that goes beyond the formalities of agreements and assistance program. We are developing a relationship that is complex and involves political and economic cooperation, trade, development, environmental matters, and culture. We are pleased that our relations have matured in this way, and I want to assure you that Fiji will always be an honest and willing interlocutor for China. As in most complex relationships, we may not always agree on everything, but you have my word, Your Excellency, that Fiji will always approach our relationship in a spirit of friendship, understanding, and openness. The increase in the number of visits between officials of our two countries at different levels is clear evidence of the maturing of the relationship and its increased importance to both countries. We welcome Chinese business and Chinese products, and of course, China has tremendous potential as a market for Fijian-made products. Our commitment to the trade relationship shows in the office. We have office in Shanghai to promote trade. But it isn't just business. Assistance China has provided valuable technical assistance and capacity building programs in agriculture, in fisheries and forestry, and financing for development projects. These programs and projects help real people, many of them poor and struggling. Some have been directed to women and youth, and I can assure you, Your Excellency, that the people who benefit from this Chinese assistance will always remember the help that they have received. Finally, Your Excellency, we have appreciated your government's political support, most recently during Fiji's reporting to the International Labour Organization's governing body at its 322nd session in Geneva earlier this month. With regard to MOU, Your Excellency, I am pleased, Your Excellency, that we shall be witnessing the signing of several MOUs shortly, and this will add to those previously signed by our ministers in 2012. For cooperation between our police forces and in the areas of social affairs, poverty alleviation, and women's affairs. I am advised that there are several other drafts in various stages of finalization to cover the other sectors. So there is much more cooperation to come. The signed MOUs, Your Excellency, once implemented, should set in motion closer and more direct collaboration between our two countries. we can now safely say that we have laid a strong state-to-state foundation onto which we can build a new relationship through our people, our businesses, our universities, our artists, and the ordinary Fijian people who will travel between Fiji and the People's Republic of China.
I now have the honor of inviting Honorable Mahendra Reddy, Minister for Education, and His Excellency Mr. Wang He, Minister for Foreign Affairs, to exchange the signed MOU on the establishment of Chinese Cultural Center in Fiji. Second, I invite Honorable Ayah Said Qayyum, Attorney General, Minister of Finance and Justice, Public Enterprise and Public Service Commission, and His Excellency Mr. Gao Wu Cheng, Minister for Commerce, to exchange the signed agreement on economic and technical cooperation. Third, I invite Honorable Lysenium Baletutumbo, Minister for Youth and Sports, and His Excellency Gao Wu Cheng, Minister for Commerce, to exchange the signed exchange of letters about the construction of Wulundawa Sports Complex project. Fourth, I invite Honorable Timothy Natuba, Minister for Immigration, National Security and Defense, and His Excellency Wang Yong, Ambassador of China to Fiji, to exchange the signed MOU on visa exemption. Fifth, I invite Honorable Timothy Natuba, Minister for Immigration, National Security and Defense, and His Excellency Mr. Wang Yong, Chinese Ambassador to Fiji, to exchange the signed MOU on defense cooperation. Lastly, I invite Honorable Pio Tikondo Ndua, Minister for Infrastructure and Transport, and His Excellency Zhu Xingxing, Deputy Director, National Development, to exchange the signed MOU concerning the provision of goods for addressing climate change in Fiji.